So guys, on Bitcoin's price update, we have Bitcoin at lowest level in a month as fear grows. So live on CoinMarketCap's blog, article was done by Connor Sefton. This is Alexandria. So table of contents going to be zooming out. So Bitcoin price has fallen to its lowest level in a month, prompting uncertainty about whether the cryptocurrency's bull run is now over. So the crypto fear and greed index is flashing a score of 34, indicating there is fear among investors. BTC hits lows of its $5,000 in the early hours of Friday morning, but rebounded back to $57,400 a few hours later. Some crypto enthusiasts are anticipating a pullback to $52,000 and $53,000 Bitcoin suffers in the sixth consecutive day of declining prices. Although such steep declines would, however, be regarded as disastrous in conventional markets, a number of traders regarded this as a blip in the trend, considering how far BTC has come to this year. So, guys, we have the expiry of Bitcoin options lately today may be casting a dark cloud over the markets, but on-chain data shows that the number of whales are continuing to accumulate BTC and long-term investors are holding steady. So crypto trader and economist Michael Van Der Poel believes that Bitcoin is in line for a short-term rally and said last night, as a reminder, Bitcoin could even correct to $48,000 to $50,000 and still be bullish. So I'm expecting a lightning cycle to take place and a healthy correlation belongs into that. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcasts available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts, which you can check out. So while things look exceedingly bearish on shorter time frames, other analysts on crypto Twitter are urging investors to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. So Bitcoin's value has doubled since the late start of the year. The cryptocurrency recouped lost ground after hitting $64,000 in April and plunging to $30,000. There's an increasing belief that the blue circles are flattening, meaning ambitious targets of $90,000 or more you can only be seen early next year, not in December. But there is a problem with crypto Twitter. There will always be an account or a chart to indicate that the current climate is bullish, whether reality says otherwise. So because of this, it's never been more vital to do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you find these updates informative, helpful. Stay safe guys, and I'll see you in our future uploads.